Okay, let's try to figure out the center distance of these two. I got two of the same gear, and I got two spiky sticks. The thin little dowels fit perfectly in these Lego gears. It's perfect, no wobble, perfectly centered. Okay, so here we go. I have a piece of foam core. I'm going to bring you guys to the zone here. So first thing, set them together, and this is just a rough way to start. Okay, put one stick in here, push it down just a little bit to make a dent. Okay, and I'm holding it in place. Then slide the gears back together. I'm going to slide this stick down until I make a dent. Okay, and now pull them away, and I have two marks. Okay, what I can do now is get my caliper and measure the distance. All right, so I can set this up here, center to center, and this will be rough, but it'll be a place to start in on shape. So to me, that looks like a good center of each hole. And I'm under 1, so it's 0.955. Okay, so I'm going to write that down. 0.955. All right, and that's the distance from the center of one gear to the center of the other. So for each gear, we're going to have half of this. That's going to be our magic number. For this is the 24 tooth. So half of 955 will be the magic number for the 24 tooth. But I'm not going to declare that as perfect yet until we actually go into on shape and make two holes that far apart that fit the Lego axles. Okay, we're going to laser cut those in masonite. We're going to put the two gears and the two axles through and check the fit for real. But that's how we're going to get our starting point, using little sharpened pointy sticks and a piece of foam core and a caliper.